15 modern farmhouse bathrooms. On the minimal side of this style, you have bathrooms like this one by Min Day Architects, via House. A clean white and gray bathroom turns into a spa-like haven with the single addition of a rough-hewn, natural wood farmhouse bench. This bathroom features Benjamin Moore Seapearl on the walls. This Godrich Interiors bathroom also features a single farmhouse element, the sink. The rest of the space is all white and marble, a very contemporary style. The oversized sink works to bring some volume and visual interest to otherwise understated bathroom decor. This minimal yet feminine modern farmhouse bathroom by Isabel Lopez Quesada features a farmhouse washstand and porcelain vessel sink, a beautiful vignette with empty jars, wall-mounted retro hardware, and modern marble tile for a luxurious finish. Fresh flowers give this bathroom a touch of organic femininity. The barn door is making a comeback in modern design, and this bathroom uses it in an original way, attached to a full-length mirror rather than a door. This design by Irwin Builds uses reclaimed wood with a neutral color scheme for that modern, rustic combination. The mirror hides extra storage space, too. The modern farmhouse style isn't just for grown-ups. This design by Brandy Hines, via House, shows that kids' bathrooms can be just as fun and beautiful. The large farmhouse sink with 2 faucets takes less space than a double vanity, and the exposed plumbing adds to the rustic style. This bathroom by Feldman Architecture shows how modern and farmhouse styles can be in perfect harmony. The dominant white is made warmer with rustic wood touches, the tub surround and the floating shelf vanity. Fresh white flowers in rustic vases and vessel sinks add detail and volume to the vanity area. Along with the unusual tub shape, this modern farmhouse bathroom by Chongo & Co. features rustic touches of unpolished wood and hand-woven cotton. White is still a dominant color, as in most of the modern farmhouse designs, but is livened up by neutral wood shades and green touches. In this beautiful powder room by Sipsy Designs, several farmhouse touches are integrated into a modern color scheme. The wood shiplap ceiling, oversized sink, traditional mosaic tile, and framed mirror bring plenty of personality and style, without feeling too nostalgic. Even in tiny spaces like this one, farmhouse touches bring lots of life and interest without overwhelming the decor. This tiny bathroom by NB Interior Design Studio, via House, has more farmhouse than modern, but still meets the definition of a modern farmhouse. The small space is made to look bigger, thanks to a reflective tile in a neutral shade, and a large frameless mirror. The oversized farmhouse sink, exposed light bulbs and stone floating vanity give the bathroom a retro, almost industrial feel. The mix of red, blue and neutral hues gives it life and joy, too. In this space, found on Roomble, the farmhouse and modern areas are placed side by side, tied together with a beautiful black and white mosaic tile and black retro-style hardware. The modern white shower with subway tile contrasts with the painted wood shiplap and farmhouse-style wood vanity. A subtle marble countertop brings a touch of luxury. This modern remodel of a Kent, UK farmhouse features this beautiful powder room with bold turquoise paint and complementary copper basin. The gorgeous basin is what keeps this bathroom tied to its farmhouse past. This Bridget Redding ID design via House shows that you don't need a lot to bring modern and farmhouse styles together. Sometimes, a single item will do the trick. This classic modern farmhouse design by James Nesbitt Weber Interior Design features a salvaged oak double vanity, marble countertop and herringbone floor, and white-on-white beadboard walls. The addition of aged steel-framed mirrors and industrial-style sink hardware gives this bathroom an extra industrial edge with a personality all its own. If you prefer the retro quaintness of the farmhouse style rather than the cool shades and straight shapes of the modern style, you will love this example from Blessair House. The modern color scheme keeps white in the center, while farmhouse touches abound: the frilly shower curtain, the wooden shelving and mirror frame, and the cute crystal drawer knobs. Yes, a farmhouse bathroom can still look ultra-modern if you balance modern and farmhouse elements in the right way. This example, designed by Brandy Hines via House, features a stylish steel-framed shower and minimal freestanding tub. The farmhouse touches come from the cowhide chair and small wooden shelf, along with the wall-mounted retro hardware for the tub. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.